After the strife in the whole crypto market in 2022, financial backers saw some beam of trust at long last in 2023. AMP has been one of those coins which enlisted huge recuperation. Be that as it may, the recuperation couldn't support longer, and the cost again begun to address. All in all, is the AMP token dead? No, AMP is a decent crypto, gave you put resources into it with impeccable timing as long as possible. AMP value expectation 2023. In light of our AMP cost forecast for the year 2023, the coin might have least and most extreme costs of around $0.00273 and $0.00664, separately. AMP value forecast 2025. What makes AMP novel? As per our AMP crypto cost expectation, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the likely low of $0.00778 to the greatest degree of $0.0112. AMP value expectation 2030. By 2030, our AMP cost gauge shows that the possible high of the coin might be $0.0352, with a likely low of $0.0245 in the crypto market. What is AMP crypto? The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization through and through. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on fleets of organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a nitty-gritty AMP value expectation referenced here. A definitive goal of this token is exactly something very similar to ensure exchanges and innate information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC-20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the accommodation of trading in fiat or some other advanced money. What makes AMP one of a kind? Fleets of organizations' local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and ensure any type of significant worth trade, be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit disseminations, property deals, and then some. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by fleets of organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC-20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and comparable innovations. AMP token. The less popular realities a significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute traits as the organization grows, adding to an exceptional expansion in the quantity of excavators. Upheld by a powerful and high transfer speed public blockchain stage, the issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching deceitful or misleading exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as security for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and comparable advances. The groundwork of AMP depends totally on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Consequently, security impediments are captured first. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This detectable characteristic makes it remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Going by the specialized investigation, AMP's cost has had a memorable journey since its send-off, which could be the fundamental justification for its prevalence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.003114, with a market cap of $131,516,590. The 24-hour exchanging volume of AMP coins remains at $5,150,227, with a flowing stock of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In light of authentic information, the coin began its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039. From that point forward, it kept on exchanging reasonably till June. On June 16, AMP recorded an unequaled high of $0.1211, notwithstanding, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop. In 2022, things turned more unfortunate for AMP as the cost constantly exchanged the downtrend. Toward the start of 2023, the token had denoted a good recuperation. However, things have again flipped around for the crypto as it exchanges around $0.003115. The exchanging volume has additionally radically fallen by 41.86%. In light of our AMP cost expectations, the crypto is a terrible long-haul venture. The cost visualization for long-term end is $0.000236. In light of long figures AMP forecasts, the AMP cost may be around $0.0020 by long-term end. While the greatest cost for the year 2025 might be around $0.0024. In the principal half of 2024, the AMP cost will move to $0.0049. In the last part, the cost might be around $0.0052, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. There is no certain shot digital money gauge for any of the current crypto coins. Taking into account the verifiable information and digital money markets, AMP is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and brokers' local area. The vertical pattern has been anticipated simply on the benefits of AMP, viz. Security and dependability. AMP is a computerized guarantee token that offers certain confirmations of collateralization for a steam move. A further effect on costs for this security token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary organizations and guarantee token financial backers in the long haul. AMP value forecast 2023 is indicated by our AMP crypto expectation. The cost is supposed to hit a high of $0.00664, making it a wise speculation. Simultaneously, the base cost for the year 2023 is assessed to be $0.000273, with a typical worth of $0.00469. AMP crypto value forecast 2024 in the year 2024, our AMP coin cost expectation, recommends that the worth might hit a normal of $0.00731. Taking into account the AMP cost examination, it can possibly arrive at a limit of $0.00863, while the base cost might be $0.00600. AMP crypto value expectation 2025, the AMP coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $0.00778 and $0.0112 individually, according to our AMP coin cost forecast 2025. Interestingly, the typical cost may be $0.00949, with a rate change of around 261%. AMP figure 2026 according to our AMP cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $0.01210, with a base and most extreme cost of $0.00992 and $0.0143 individually for the year 2026. The instability of the crypto cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost forecasts. AMP expectation 2027, taking a gander at the AMP token value forecast and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the most extreme worth